I'm extremely excited to be inviting Naminapu Maymuru-White, who is based in Yirrkala, northeast Arnhem Land. Naminapu is of the Maŋgalili clan, and she uses the sacred clan design to evoke the soul's journey from life to death, to rest to rebirth, as conducted through water. Presented at Frieze London is River of Stars, a monumental new bark work and installation that depicts a river and tells the story of two Guwak men who were destined to lead their clan to their now homeland of Yirrkala, around 190 kilometers from Yirrkala. Having seen their people settled in their homeland, they bid their farewells and set out in a canoe. But hit by a strong tidal wave, they refused help and destined themselves as offerings to the night sky. The project is intricately connected to Breguet's emphasis on history, storytelling, and the celestial. Sharing the core values of passing on knowledge and evoking connection, Maymuru-White's work shares Breguet's care for weaving past, present, and future.